Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a quick and delicious weeknight dinner that's both creamy and loaded with flavor, you're in the right place. Today, we're whipping up an easy chicken and broccoli Alfredo that's going to be your new go-to recipe. The best part? It's ready in under 30 minutes with just a few simple ingredients, but tastes like something straight out of a restaurant. Let's get cooking and turn your weeknight dinner into something special. 1. Cook the pasta. Begin by cooking the fettuccine according to package directions. Drain and set aside. 2. Steam the broccoli. While the pasta is cooking, steam the broccoli until it's tender but still vibrant green, about 4 to 5 minutes. Set aside. 3. Sear the chicken. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced chicken and season with salt and pepper. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes or until the chicken is browned and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. 4. Prepare the Alfredo sauce. In the same skillet, add the butter and minced garlic. Sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in the heavy cream and stir continuously. Allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until the cream starts to thicken slightly. 5. Add Parmesan cheese. Slowly whisk in the Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly until the sauce becomes creamy and smooth. Season with additional salt and pepper if needed. 6. Combine the ingredients. Add the cooked chicken and steamed broccoli into the skillet with the Alfredo sauce. Stir to coat everything evenly in the creamy sauce. 7. Toss with pasta. Finally, toss the cooked fettuccine into the sauce, ensuring each strand is coated. Let the pasta simmer in the sauce for 2 to 3 minutes to absorb the flavors. 8. Serve. Transfer to serving plates and garnish with fresh parsley and extra Parmesan if desired. Enjoy your easy chicken and broccoli Alfredo while it's hot.